How to convert photos to PDF on your iPhone. Open the Photos app on your iPhone. You can select a single picture or multiple pictures to convert as PDF. Tap Select in the top right corner of the screen and select the photos. After selecting, tap on the share icon below. A few options will appear. Scroll down and select Print option. Next, click on the Share option. Now scroll down and tap on Save to Files. Next, click on the Save option. Now go back to the home screen and open the Files app. Go to the Recents tab and here you will find your saved PDF. In this way, you can easily convert photos to PDF. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.